Huang's home by ZHUI Design Studio in Taiwan. In the rapid development process of urbanization in towns and cities, there is often a lack of proper urban planning. In my childhood memories, the impression of that area was rows of tightly built houses with minimal separation between them, and only a mini drainage ditch serving as a fire lane in the rear. Nearby, there was a large drain filled with domestic water, and if the window was open at the back of the house, an indescribable odor would permeate. Due to the close proximity of the buildings, the natural light at the back of the houses was also poor. Therefore, upon entering the house, my immediate concern was how to address these challenges that haunted my childhood memories. In the old town where parking was relatively difficult, the unwritten rule of first come, first served had become deeply ingrained. As a result, we removed the unsuitable walls that encroached upon the street layout to create parking spaces. Simultaneously, we introduced light into the interior, sealing off doors and windows facing the fire lane at the rear. We transformed the space by creating a courtyard, solving both lighting and odor issues.